up guys, this is Shanti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel, The Layavi. What's up? My name is Shanti and I'm from Singapore and I'm a YouTuber and a blogger. I typically create content for YouTube about makeup tutorials, beauty product reviews, productivity tips and lifestyle tools. And if you're watching me in this video for the first time, then thank you so much for taking time out of your day to click on this video and watch this video. While you are here, may I suggest that you click subscribe. All that will be needed is for you to click on the subscribe button right down here. There'll be a bell next to it. Make sure to click on it as well, just so that you'll be updated and notified whenever new videos like this. In today's video is going to be a Eid special makeup tutorial. I came up with a very smoky, sultry, smoky eyes, smokiness that's going on around my eyelids, and this is the look that I came up with. I do know that there are a lot of makeup tutorials that are Arabic inspired on YouTube already, but this is something that I wanted to try on myself if I do not have an idea of what I want to wear. If I am invited to have a Ramadan feast at someone's place, this is probably what I would go for. And I hope you enjoy watching this makeup tutorial. If you want to know how to get this eye makeup look, then please keep on watching.
As always, the first step is to prep the eyelids with a little bit of eyelid primer. Why do I keep saying a little bit? I'm just going to be taking my ring finger worth of product onto my brow bone and the overall eyelid area. This is what happens when you're not doing videos for a long time and you're going to be setting that base down with some pressed powder from Sephora. You can use any powder of your choice. And then I'm going to be taking a blending brush. This is a medium blending brush. I believe this is from Zoeva. I'm going to be taking this very light, pale, milky, chocolatey brown. And I'm just going to be taking that color down onto my crease area and wing the color outwards, like how you can see me do here. And I'm bringing the color down onto my lower lash line as well. Next step is to take a small stiff packing brush. I'm going to be taking a light shade from the Maybelline The Nudes palette. And I'm going to be just packing it onto my mobile lid area. I'm going to be taking a pencil brush now, and I'm going to be taking the darkest brown from the Nudes palette from Maybelline, and I'm just going to be defining the crease area just where we have placed the former milky chocolatey brown, and just winging the color out slightly just for that Arabic feline eye look. Once we have placed all of the colors down, we're going to be just smoothing the outlines out with the same blending brush that we've used to put on this transition color at the beginning of this eye look tutorial. Now we're going to be moving to the fun part. I'm going to be using this really affordable Essence Super Precise eyeliner, and I'm going to be doing an eye that looks like this, and I'm going to be re-attempting to do the same eyeliner look on my left eye as well. And if you hear some kid in the background, that's my kid. It's the June holidays, so I beg your pardon. I am not fast forwarding this bit, and I'm just showing you how long it actually takes. It's quite a while, and you need to have a lot of patience because you can mess up this look very easily if you're not being careful, as if you're someone who's not comfortable doing a liquid eyeliner. So now that we have that, I'm going to be lining my inner rims of my eyes with Rimmel London's Kohl Kajal 24-hour pencil, and this is in the shade black. Of course, you want to have really deep, dark, sultry smokiness. And I'm going to be taking a really tiny art pencil brush. Yes, that's right, art pencil brush. I'm going to be taking a little bit of black eyeshadow. I'm going to be going over the dried down black eyeliner on the tops of my lashes and lower lashes. This will kind of soothe out, kind of like a smoke out the look, so that it looks really nice and smoky and it's not too harsh. And that's the end for the eye look, and I'm just going to be finishing the eye look off with some mascara. Any mascara of your choice would do. If you would want to apply falsies, go ahead and do so. I'm just taking a break from false eyelashes. But be sure to load up a lot of mascara on your lower and upper lashes. And to finish the entire look and pull it all together, I'm putting on a nude lip, I want to say about coral peachy nude, and top it off with Fenty's lip gloss. This universal lip gloss, oh my god, it's such an amazing color, and this completes the eye look.
Yo, that's it for today's makeup tutorial, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this really nice, easy, smoky, soothing, smoky eye look that I put together for you. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share this with your family and friends on Facebook and WhatsApp. If you're not subscribed already, please do consider subscribing. All that will be needed for you to just click on the subscribe button right down this video. Make sure to click on the bell next to it just so that you'll be updated and notified whenever new videos like this go up on my platform. And I shall catch you in my next video. Bye guys!